Hi viewers, welcome to Super Gadgets. Today I am going to unbox and review Anker Soundcore Liberty Air. Liberty Air are total wireless earphones and their main highlighted feature is crystal clear calls. Before starting this video, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon, then click to all to get all notifications of my interesting videos. Let's check the main highlighted features on the box. Bluetooth version 5, graphene enhanced sound, stereo calls, IPX5 water resistant, dual mic uplink noise reduction, up to 5 hours playtime in single charge and 20 hours with full charging case. It means you can charge your earphones 4 times with full charging case. Push and go on one-step pairing, passive noise cancellation, charge for 10 minutes, listen for 1 hour. Let's start unboxing. This is book design box. Material quality of box is also satisfying, and here is magnet to close and open the box. Here is our device. Let's check the other accessories in the box. Here are some ear tips of different sizes. And some documents. Let's check the physical overview of the earphones. This is plastic made charging case. At the top, here is branding of Soundcore. At the bottom, here is a micro USB charging port. At the front is LED indicator with 3 points. And take out earbuds. These are very lightweight with plastic material. Here is Soundcore branding. Design of this model is looking very comfortable. At the bottom are the charging points. Let's check the sound quality on sound test. Just take out from case and open Bluetooth from your device. These are connected with my phone. Here is a also special option of AAC. I have tested these earphones. Sound quality is excellent. In this model, only right side can be used independently, or both can be used together. When you will keep right side in charging case, left side will automatically turn off. I am very disappointed by this feature of this model by Anker. In some models of Anker, you can use both sides independently, like my previous Anker video of Spirit X2. You can use both sides independently and you can use both sides at a time. Overall, according to sound quality is a good purchase, you should buy it. If you have any question regarding this video, you can ask in comment section below. I will reply you soon. I hope you like this video, so hit the like button and show your love on subscribe button by clicking on bell icon. Keep supporting me for more informative videos. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. Links are given below in the description. Meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.